Hello everyone. We are here going to presentation our project. Before we started, let me introduce my team. My name is ALMER AHMAD and I'm 15 years old, and this is my teammate.
Hello everyone, my name is AZIZAH. I'm 16 years old.
Next, we are going to presentation our project. So let me try the project. If you don't touch or hold the object, the oven will send an object to it. Okay, you can see in this one object. Okay, let me try object like chocolate. Okay.
This is chocolate pie. Please put the chocolate pie in the oven and it will take 3 minutes to cook.
Put the chocolate pie. Like it.
Get off.
It has cooked and the buzzer will be voice.
The chocolate pie is cooked. Please take it and enjoy it.
See? Yeah. So the version. Okay. Okay, let me try again. Bread or roti in Indonesia.
This is bread. Please put the bread in the oven and it will take 1 minute to cook.
Cheaper had it fine.
The bread is cooked. Please take it and enjoy it.
Okay, let me try the last one. It's sausage. Oh, sausage.
This is sausage. Please put the sausage in the oven and it will take 2 minutes and 30 seconds to cook.
Wait.
The sausage is cooked. Please take it and enjoy it.
Okay. So when the oven or the object is cooked and the LED and the buzzer, the LED will turn on and the buzzer will voice like that. Okay, that's my project. Okay. So let me explain how the coding works. And I use animation in the Box tool. Is the animation and this is the coding room. Yeah. This visionary environment image classifier like this is like it's not that's not an object, yeah. Skill in and I use a quad keyboard and one LED and one phone. So when the camera not detect an object, the option will say in this says no object in it, and cell phone will be close. Yeah, this identifies protein or in English bread. The fork will hit the screen and place on bread. The pencil and switch backdrop. So we go 16 like this, and you can see it. And server will be open, and your not cooked bread will show in the oven, in the oven, and wait 3 seconds. And after that, the bread is hot, or the microwave will be closed. This thing is bread, so this curve close and step will be closed, and the time of 10 cutlets of bread will be so in here, in like here. It's 10 cutlet bread. So okay, it's that 10 cutlets. The quirky will display the LED and it says 1 minute at video speed. And after that, the quirky display happy animation. And wait 2 seconds, and after that the quirky full screen and the LED will be turned on. Blue LED, LED, and start some microwave dry, baked in microwave and it's editing object output, then wait 5 seconds, and then the 10 colored bread is hide this nothing getting this time is disappear, and therefore will be opening. And there was a real voice tool, yes, and the LED will be turned off. So that 3 seconds and stop sound, and the microwave will be open again, and broadcast bread, bucket bread. Okay, is what is this bucket bread? Okay, let me show you. Yes, bread. And again, no, okay. See, and go found it. Okay, let's then go by, and something isn't too like it, but I change the time and sound, everything else. So appreciate hearing bits calling. Sorry. Yeah. Yes. And click. Then you use this one. Google it's so shit. When we're just some sauces not cooked or mentah Indonesia. It also didn't broadcast. This broadcast is sent to all. This is system to I use a classifier for environment. Okay, let's use it. Latest huge problem. This one I use an classifier for different spread, sausage, and the chocolate. Okay, you see. This was sauces or sauce I think 708 sample nonsense. Because for both the microscopic stick the object is to provide clear. It is simply for once people and the prayer already is being get parts. It's really 26 people. Long see work getting anything and just are broken up to while good returning. This one is good turning. Okay. The thing that motivates us to make all of this is
We want AI technology to be useful for our deadlines. Thank you for watching.
if there is a wrong lot, please put it on. Bye bye.